Welcome to today's video about Veeam Certified Engineer Plus, VMCE Plus, V13 exam. Overview of Veeam Certified Engineer Plus, VMCE Plus, V13 exam. Target audience: Veeam Data Platform 13. Recommended experience for VMCE plus V13 candidates. Candidate prerequisites. Key details for your certification assessment. VMCE plus V13 exam objectives. A roadmap for mastering the VMCE plus V13 certification. 1. A company wants to design a Veeam Data Platform solution for a critical database application. The business requires minimal data loss and rapid recovery after failures. Which two metrics should the engineer evaluate first? A. CPU utilization and memory allocation. B. Recovery point objective, RPO, and recovery time objective, RTO. C. Backup repository size and network bandwidth. D. Number of backup jobs and retention policies. 2. An organization wants to protect backup data from ransomware attacks. Which Veeam configuration provides stronger resilience? A. Store all backups on the production server. B. Disable encryption to improve performance. C. Implement a hardened backup repository with appropriate security controls. D. Allow unrestricted administrator access to repositories. 3. During initial deployment of Veeam Data Platform, an administrator needs to ensure secure backup operations. Which action should be performed? A. Configure proper permissions and security settings. B. Remove all authentication requirements. C. Use shared administrator accounts. D. Disable backup encryption features. 4. A company wants to improve the security of its backup infrastructure. Which practice aligns with Veeam security recommendations? A. Provide all users with full administrative privileges. B. Separate backup management roles based on responsibilities. C. Store credentials in unsecured documents. D. Disable logging for backup operations. 5. A company needs to protect NAS data containing user files and documents. Which Veeam capability should be configured? A. NAS backup for unstructured data protection. B. Hyper-V replication. C. Veeam One Alarm policies. D. Recovery orchestrator reports. 6. An administrator performs regular maintenance on a Veeam environment. Which activity is part of maintaining the infrastructure? A. Reviewing system health and updating components when required. B. Removing all backup jobs permanently. C. Disabling monitoring services. D. Deleting recovery points immediately. 7. A company needs to protect workloads running outside the virtual environment. Which Veeam capability should be considered? A. Using reports instead of backups. B. Removing backup repositories. C. Disabling replication features. D. Physical workload and cloud workload protection. 8. A company wants to test disaster recovery plans before an actual outage occurs. Which capability should be implemented? A. Remove recovery plans. B. Disable replication tasks. C. Data labs verification with recovery testing. D. Stop monitoring services. 9. A company wants to automatically verify that backups can be recovered successfully. Which feature should be configured? A. Backup copy job. B. Sure backup. C. Repository scaling. D. Data collection rule. 10. A company wants customized reports showing backup compliance status and operational trends. What should the administrator configure? A. VM1 reports and dashboards. B. Disable reporting functions. C. Delete monitoring data. D. Modify backup files manually. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.